Hi honeys. Okay, I'm back home. And my plan was to smoke that salmon and fix that tortellini. That ain't happening. So I'm going to fix this pizza that y'all saw me buy. So I'm going to show y'all what I got. Okay, this is what I got. It's the Jewel brand spicy Italian sausage pizza with tomato sauce topped with mozzarella cheese, spicy Italian sauces, and diced tomatoes. And it actually looks like the picture. Usually it don't look like the picture. Well, let me turn this on. So it says to turn it on to 425 for about 14 minutes, but I have to watch it because it had thawed out while I was walking around in the store. Okay. I'll be back when my pizza is done. Okay, y'all, I'm still wearing my breast cancer awareness t-shirts. Because this is October. It's almost the end of October, but it is October. So this is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So I think for the rest of the month I'll be wearing my t-shirts with the pink ribbon. And I want to draw your attention to a video I made some years ago about the scariest time in my life. So I'll leave the link in the description box of when I was diagnosed with breast cancer. But the Lord brought me through it, yeah. Okay, I'll be back when my pizza is done. It's extra thin, so it ain't gonna take long. Walter got him some potatoes boiling. That man love his potatoes. And french fries and mashed potatoes. It's 4:15 p.m. on a Tuesday afternoon. And this thing stays on my stove because I love it. This is the Nordic Ware Stovetop Smoker. I love it. So I got my pizza box prepared. This is how I do my pizza box. I just cut it open. See how I do? Just cut it. And then my pizza is ready to lay on here, and I slice it on here. Okay. It's getting mighty brown. And I still got over 6 minutes left, but that's why you have to watch your food. You can't always go by the time. Because like I said, this had thawed out. I'll be back. It's bubbling. Oh, and I'm cooking it in my Cosori air fryer oven. Okay, y'all, this thing coming out of here. Getting a little too dark. Here's the pizza peel. Keep it under there. Hope that sausage is done. It looks so good. And Walter ain't gonna do nothing but take off everything. All the toppings. All to just scrape off. Let me stop this and unplug it. All to scrape off everything except the cheese and the sauce on his piece. Okay, this is what my pizza looks like. I didn't even put any seasoning or nothing extra on it because I'm hungry. I'm going to cut it into little pieces. Instead of the traditional slices. Turn it around so I can slice it that way. This is where you slice your pizza when you got a lot of kids to feed. Because everybody can't get no slice. So you can get a piece. Okay. My bowl. Okay. Spatula. Okay. That's good.
Yes, it.
Okay. Okay, you come in here messing with me? He don't want to be on camera. Uh-huh. Teach you a lesson. Leave me alone, man. Okay, let me turn this around. Okay, y'all, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye. Bon appetit.